Hi, I'm here again to talk about the things that you can make to wake your woman libido higher in in the morning as a pro. Like I promised you about this video, and I will be doing it for you. I'm here again to do it for you. You know what I mean. So I will be telling you things that you'll be using to wake your woman in the morning. The other video I made it for them. That I'm here again to make this video particularly just for you to know what you need to use to wake her up early in the morning, just to make her so sweet, and she will be just cooking so delicious meal for you. Now, what are we trying to say? Just go and get a cold yogurt, and then when you go to the other room, which is starting the game, what will you do? Put it in the fridge, let it cold, or let it just cold very well. I mean cold very well. So when you just take it, then when the game is going on, what will you do? Pour it right from the chest here, from the upper side. So don't go down to the tail. No. How will you do? Pour it from the chest here and lick it from the chest down to this other side and down to this. Lick it to the other side and lick it to this other side. Lick it downward. I mean downward. Should be confessing. In fact, if you're kind of person that can lick the plate, you are good to go to lick your woman's plate. But I don't advise people licking the plate because I don't know how it tastes. I don't know how it is. But if you are kind of person that can comfortably lick the plate, my dear, I would tell you to lick down the plate and lick it to stupor. Yeah. So if you're kind of person that have been doing it before, you feel free with it. You are free to go down. You go down deeper into the ocean and bring out what belongs to you. And you need to be doing it very well. Make her to scream over and over and over again. Let her pour down the ocean water. Let her vibrate. Let the leg be shaking. If the leg is not shaking, please don't stop it. Don't stop. Keep going deeper and deeper. If it's for you to use this hand, just use it, just for you to make her feel happy and feel comfortably. How will I put it? You may see that this video is just a kind of video that you don't like, but I don't mind. But welcome to my channel. Today is your first time of coming out. You come across this beautiful face across my channel, across this kind of video. Yeah, this is the kind of content I'll be doing now. Sorry to say that. If you're kind of holy, you can be holy and be watching and be learning. Okay, please, I'm begging with the name of the Lord, stop looking at me that way. This is my channel. Welcome to a vibe. Welcome to Vibe with Nsi Baby. I'm a content creator based in Lagos State. I'm from Nigeria. I'm here to just give out the little knowledge I have about this bedroom talk of a thing. So I do a lifestyle video. I also talked about this. I also do some exercise, worked out on my on my channel. Please, if any of them is interested, you are interested in any of them, please don't forget to click on the notification button. Anytime I upload video, you'll be notified. I beg you in the name of God, just help me to share to your contact, to your social media platform. I don't know, a lot of people sending me message. Are you not a Christian? Are you not a believer? What are you saying? Is there anything I've done wrong on this channel that I'm talking about things? I'm talking about giving some little ideas that I know about. I don't know what you guys are thinking about me, but I'm sorry. I'm not disappointing anybody here. I'm not doing things that will affect you or affect me, but I'm here to dish out the little advice I know about things. Like, I'm a woman, I've dated, I've been mingled with guys, and here to share my little knowledge with my audience. This is my community. Please stop sending me those kind of messages. I beg you in the name of God, please, I beg you. So here, baby girl, baby boy, we are all welcome to our channel. This is our channel where we have fun, we vibe together, we learn things by ourselves and talk together and be friends with together and each other. Sorry. Okay, so if all these things I'm talking about is useful, and then moreover, do well, do well. There's some women after this thing, they will not have urge of going down the deeper to the game again. But there are some ways that you can also make her have that feelings and have that mind of going down or continue the game again. So immediately you will notice that it has come, the ocean has dropped once, the ocean has dropped twice. The third time, how will you do? You go into the ocean and tap what you needed to tap and enjoy what you needed to enjoy. Do you know? I will talk about that. Don't worry. I'll talk about that, how women enjoy more than men in terms of having this bedroom game stuff. Women do enjoy more than men. So don't argue with any woman that is arguing with you outside that men enjoys it. But don't worry, I will tell you